Welcome to AI Traders live market analysis using artificial intelligence to find high probability trades. There's a brief disclaimer. I'm Richard Miller. I'll be presenting today's AI Traders Live. We'll be focusing on 4 artificial intelligence trading strategies: major market reversal, classic swing trades, volatility breakouts, and quick 3-day moves. We use the Fulgent AI engine that sits on the Metastock platform. Just to recap, this AI does 10 to the power of 200 different possible combinations of stock market indicated market relationships using genetic algorithms. So it's doing a tremendous amount of computing power to come up with those 4 AI trading strategies. Just to recap, the AI that we've been using during the training period, the major market reversal is on average 85% accurate, with an average profit per trade of 11%. Swing trade is 65% accurate with an average profit per trade of 2.1%. Volatility breakouts 56% accurate with a 2.8% return. And quick move is also 62% accurate on average. Now this is over thousands of trades. You can see, in this case there's 5,900 trades on 65% accuracy. So you can see the AI is definitely worth having. And these are all high probability trade setups. And just to recap, if we test the Fulgent AI against other technical indicators like momentum, CCI, Bollinger Bands, stochastics, and MACD, it generates the highest average net profit with the least amount of trades. So absolutely fantastic trading statistics. You can see the Fulgent AI simply beats the other technical indicators in terms of best risk-adjusted profit. Now I run the screen on the FTSE 350 index constituents. The AI took about 14 minutes to run through the index constituents, identifying those 4 AI trading strategies we're looking for. Here are the results. Sorted by most recent trades, you can see the AI is long 161 positions out of the index, and there's 190 rejects where the AI is either banked a profit or it reached a sell signal or trailing stop. Now just from the statistics here, we can see that the AB Food BT Group is a major market reversal AI, and it's 75% accurate on average trading that particular share. Now, this trade setup, major market reversal, occurred 2,867 times in the testing period, and that's out of thousands and thousands of trades. Remember, we're testing this over decades of data. So you can see it's quite a reliable artificial intelligence engine. Then we've got 104 is a classic swing trade one, which is on average 68%, 75% accurate here. We can see trading these stocks. So let's jump straight in. Let's go and review a few of the top 10 latest trading ideas using AI. Starting with MNG PLC, we've got a major market reversal signal. Now this trade can last from days to weeks. The first resistance level is this 209 zone, these old highs here, and then the next one is around about just under 220, that gap down there. So that's the upside profit potential, profit target we're looking at on MNG. Next up is Paragon Group. We've got a swing trade signal there. Your trading stop is around about 525. First profit target level is 562, and ultimately these old highs run about, let's look at that line at 577. Is the upside profit targets on Paragon. Next up, MRCM, Mercantile Investments. Swing trade position there. The support level there is your first level of resistance to take half the profit off the table, and the next one would be to take the second trade off the table as it gets to the old highs. Yeah, key resistance zone. So we've got a swing trade and Mercantile Group. You can see other quick moves and swing trades worked out quite well over the time period. Johnson Matthey next up, ticker there is JMAT.L. Got a major market reversal swing trade. Yeah, let's just check. Yeah, 104 is a swing trade signal. The text is actually not loaded there yet. Will probably be on here by later today. This is a fresh signal, so you've got a day or two to get into it. It's a swing trade, so your first level of profit would be 2789, just under 28 zone, and then the second level would be 2911. That's the upside resistance targets for Johnson Matthey using the swing trade AI. BYIT Tech Group, we've got a quick move to the upside here. Trailing stop loss is around about here at 473, and your first level of resistance is 533, and then the next one 551. These are the upside resistance targets. Next up is BT Group with a major market reversal signal. It's not coming up yet. I think the trading stop would be just around about the 140 zone. And the next level, your first resistance zone would be this 165. And then the next one would be this support level there was broken. If I can just get that thing to activate on there. There we go. So these are the upside profit targets. 165 and 180, 175 to 180 would be the second profit target for the major market reversal. Now the major market reversal trade, we can see here, is a trade that's 75% accurate on average trading BT, for example, and it's about a 4-5% average profit per trade over the testing period. Now that's over 2,876 hits, so you can see it's quite a high statistic considering how many trades setups occurred in BT, for example. Right, next up is ABF, AB Food, major market reversal here. First level is 1950 as the first resistance level, and the next one below 2100 is just the second one. So those are the two upside profit targets. The trailing stop loss here is at 1750, so watch out for that. Keep an eye on that. You can see you've got to be pretty quick here with volatility breakout, quick moves, volatility breakout, swing trades, etc. So remember now, there aren't signals on every bar because the AI is only looking for high probability trades, for example. Bellway, the next one, moving in a sideways swing trade, very wide stop loss here. The AI has learned its lesson from this sell-off and stopped out position there, that it needs to adjust its volatility. These upside resistance targets are these levels there. So this swing trade is a couple of days, can last for days to weeks and months even. So you have a trailing stop, so as the trade goes higher, we move our trailing stop up to accommodate for that volatility risk. But you can see the last swing trade here in February, March, huge move, captured a beautiful move there on Bellway. BWI.L is the ticker there. Bankers Investment Trust, there we go. We've got a swing trade, very wide stop loss, 104. The upside resistance target would be this zone here. First level and then the next one there. So these are the two upside profit targets on this swing trade signal as generated by the AI. Now in Bankers Trust, for example, the AI is on average 65% accurate there with 1.72 average profit per trade, and it's a classic swing trade. Code 104 there gives you an idea what the classic swing trade is. Okay, all right. Next up, let's take a look. Aviva. Now, Aviva's been in long for a very long time. This has been a phenomenal trade. Yeah, you can see back here a major market reversal. It also got out there with a sell signal before the big drop, so you can see the AI is quite, quite good at risk management as well. Now, it's got a very wide trailing stop, so this trade is has been in the major market reversal trade is still active, but did identify a quick short-term swing trade, yeah, with a trailing stop at 380. First resistance level at 410, and then the next resistance level would be these old highs here. That would be your cluster resistance to the upside. So keep an eye on that one for Aviva. Swing trade in Aviva on a daily basis. And remember the long-term position, the major market reversal trade, still active because it's not reached its trailing stop loss yet. If any traders wants to get their hands on having your own artificial intelligence engine, go to metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. We've got a fantastic buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on at the moment, and you can try it out and see if the artificial intelligence engine fits your trading style. metastock.com/alphaharvest 3-for-1. This is what the landing page looked like. We've got a 3 months for the price of 1 deal. Whether you're taking the artificial intelligence engine on a end of day basis, the side, or the real time, if you do high frequency intraday trading, we've got 2 options for the buy 3 months for the price of 1 deal on Metastock platform. So this is the list, brings us to the end of this edition of AI Traders Live. Join me next time for more artificial intelligence trading. Bye for now.